Hi, and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. In this short video, you'll learn how to correctly measure for panel glide blinds. Panel glides are elegant, practical, and have a streamlined style. Panel glides are traditionally a face-fitting blind, so with this in mind, measure the outside width of your window frame. Take 3 measurements, the top, middle, and bottom, and this time record the largest measurement. Next, measure the outside height of your window, starting from the point at which you'd like your blinds to sit above the window, down to the point at which you'd like your blinds to finish. Again, take 3 measurements, the left, the middle, and the right, and record the largest measurement. And that's it. Head to the Curtain and Blinds Company, select your blinds, and customize your measurements for an instant price. Then place your order. You'll be enjoying new, beautiful blinds in no time. It really is that easy at the Curtain and Blind Company.